Morning viewer, welcome to our FTP English version. Urvashi Rautela at Canas 2025. After making a hit run with her first appearance at the prestigious Canas Film Festival 2025, Urvashi Rautela is back with yet another dramatic look. The Bollywood diva never fails to grab attention over her dramatic outfits at Cannes. You can like or hate her, but you simply cannot ignore her fashion parrot at this annual gala. Every year, the actress creates a batch with her hatke ensemble or jewelry or makeup while she walks the Cannes red carpet. And now, her latest appearance at Cannes is reminding us of her viral featherweight dress from Cannes 2023. Urvashi Rautela surely knows how to capture attention with her sartorial style. For her first appearance on the Cannes red carpet this year, the actress donned a blue, red, and yellow hued strapless structure outfit. It was her crystal embedded clutch that became the talk of the town. As our Diet Sabya, the clutch is made by Judith Oliver and comes with a whooping price tag $5,695 in Indian money, 4,85,000 rupees. Urvashi created history by donning the most expensive look ever on the red carpets of MEAT Gala and Cannes. As per reports, the cost of Urvashi's custom-made Michael Cinco gown that she wore for her day one at Cannes 2025 was said to be around 40 crore. Now, Urvashi Rautela has opted for a simple black flowy gown featuring cape-style long sleeves. The outfit also came with badger detailing on the neckline. She accessorized her outfit with multiple layers of choker-like neck pieces in shades of black, beige, and brown. To add the extra drama, she opted for a quick and quirky hairstyle. Behind this exclusive report, FTB English Delhi Bharat.